If your Bali divorce paperwork gets rejected at the consulate, you're losing months and thousands in fees, and here's how the Bali lawyer fixes it in 7 days. Here's the problem. Most people skip apostille and consular legalization entirely. Get your divorce decree translated by a sworn translator within 3 business days for 2.5 million rupiah. Book your notary appointment in Denpasar for 1.5 million rupiah, not 8 million like tourist trap officers charge. You need a Bali notary for divorce documents when you're finalizing a divorce in Indonesia, or when your home country requires Indonesian notarization for recognition. A British expat filed divorce papers in Bali without notarization. The UK consulate rejected the documents twice. She lost 4 months and paid 12 million rupiah in resubmission fees. This is exactly why we built the Bali lawyer, to handle every step of notary certification, apostille, and consular legalization, so your divorce is recognized in your home country without delays. Most people fail here. They think a regular notary stamp is enough. It's not. Indonesia requires a specific notary public, Notaris in Indonesian, with authority to certify foreign legal documents. A regular stamp or photocopy certification won't pass consular review. Do not use a photocopy shop notary. You need a licensed notaris who's registered with the Ministry of Law. The Bali lawyer connects you with the right notaris in Denpasar or Sana within 24 hours, and we handle the entire certification chain, from translation to consular submission. Step 1 is getting a sworn translation of your divorce decree. Indonesia requires translations by a sworn translator, penajema tersumpah, certified by the Ministry of Law. Average cost is 2.5 to 3.5 million rupiah for a standard decree. The Bali lawyer arranges this in 3 business days with translators we've worked with for over 20 years. We review the translation before notarization to catch errors that would trigger rejections later. Step 2 is the notary certification itself. The notaris will verify your identity, witness your signature, and stamp the document with their official seal. This is important. The notary fee in Bali ranges from 1.5 million rupiah for straightforward certification to 8 million rupiah if you use a tourist office in Seminyak. The Bali lawyer charges 1.8 million rupiah flat, includes the notary meeting and document prep. We bring the documents to the notaris office so you don't waste a day searching. Here's the problem. Right now your divorce paperwork sits unsigned, untranslated, and unrecognized by your consulate. After steps 1 and 2, you have a notarized, sworn translated decree that any consulate in Indonesia will accept. Most people stop here and still get rejected because they skip apostille or consular legalization. The Bali lawyer handles both. We submit to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for apostille within 5 business days, then forward to your consulate for final legalization. Here's the exact wording to use when you call your consulate. Say this word for word. I need to register a foreign divorce decree issued in Indonesia. I have the original decree, a sworn translation by a penajema tersumpah, and notarization by a licensed notaris. Do I need apostille from the Indonesian Ministry of Foreign Affairs, or does your consulate accept notarization alone? Write down their answer. If they say apostille required, the Bali lawyer files it for you. If they say consular legalization required, we handle that too. The apostille process costs 500,000 rupiah at the ministry in Jakarta, but most expats can't travel there. The Bali lawyer has a Jakarta agent who submits on your behalf for 2.2 million rupiah all in, including courier and government fees. I need to register a foreign divorce decree issued in Indonesia. I have the original decree, a sworn translation by a penajema tersumpah, and notarization by a licensed notaris. Do I need apostille from the Indonesian Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Or does your consulate accept notarization alone? Use a sworn translator, 2.5 million rupiah, 3 days. Book license Notaris, 1.8 million flat with the Bali lawyer. Get apostille and consular legalization done for you in 7 days. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit TheBaliLawyer.com for help notarizing your Bali divorce documents with 0 rejections. Visit https://TheBaliLawyer.com.